Hi friends of XDRs and friends of nature and mountains especially. My name is Christo and today I wanted to show you this video of the Kartola, or also called and known like the Kartola area. And this is a special meadows and forest area that's over the Momčilovci village. This is nearby the city of Smolon in the Rhodope Mountains, Bulgaria. And of course, you can check some of my latest long format videos on the channel, and you can find some of the last videos. One of them is about 3 minutes something, and it's titled Bear Steps Spotted in the Rhodope Mountains. So that video is from this area over there, and it's not drone video, it's just a normal video that I made. You can watch that video, and from there, actually from this place here on the drone video you can see in the distance the Pomporovo ski resort also. So this area also, Kartola, is a ski and snowboard area. It has a kind of automatic slide up, you can catch yourself, so you will be slided up to the hill. I don't know how is this in kind of a lift device, but not exactly lift. I don't know the name of that. Anyway, down there on the bottom of the slide there is a bar area with nice music and like a tea and coffee and some food stuff. There's plenty of space where you can park, of course. This is not paid advertising, folks. I don't know the owners of this ski slide. It's just one amazing and very well-known place nearby Smolon city, nearby Momčilovci. And of course, people from the snowboarding and ski area, a lot of them know about it. Sometimes they go skiing in Pomporovo resort, and sometimes they come here. And so from this place you can see the Tower of Snežanka, which is about 170 meters tall, like a TV tower with a restaurant and a bar on the top ring. And on the top of the top ring, over the restaurant and the bar, of course, on this Snežanka tower, there is a balcony from where you can see the Mediterranean Sea, the Greek part of that sea. In the distance, when it's very, very good weather and where is cloudless weather, like now you see this super blue sky. So you can see the Mediterranean Sea from that tower, from Pomporovo Snežanka ski tower. And of course, this is kind of the sparkling of the water you can see. And about what else I would wanted to say. Anyway, I'm landing now the drone and I'll have to stop this voiceover. Thank you for watching, folks. Please like and share.